Take the center cap off. Then I'm going to remove the tire. 22mm socket. Whenever doing any suspension work, always make sure you support the vehicle suspension, whether it's rear diff or front, in order to get the proper ride height once torquing and tightening down suspension parts. 21mm wrench and socket, and we'll take the front bolt out. Same on the rear bolt where it meets the differential, 21mm socket and wrench. With the nuts off both bolts, I can hold and support the lower control arm. Take the rear bolt out, and then take the front bolt out. Now with the nuts off both bolts, I can hold and support the lower control arm. Take the rear bolt out, and then take the front bolt out. So when installing the lower arm, put it into the differential side first. No bolt, that way you can slide it up into the front, then guide the bolt through. Now I can put the rear bolt through. Start both nuts by hand. Now we're just going to snug it because we have to use the torque specifications. Torque specs is 74 foot-pounds. And then an additional 55 degrees. So I have my digital torque wrench set to 55-degree angle. Rear bolt is 74 foot-pounds. And then additional 55-degree angle, same as the front. Now you can lower your suspension. Reinstall the tire. Torque your wheels to 140 foot-pounds. And just like with any front end or rear suspension repair, get yourself a four-wheel alignment. When installing the center cap, make sure you see the side that has the valve stem on it and put it at that angle.